What's up, guys? Got another Nike outlet find for you here. Got a pair of Kobe A.Ds. Picked them up for $120, 30% off. I think they came up to about $88 plus tax Canadian. And I'm pretty sure that's around 67 US dollars or something like that. That's just a guess, it might be off. And this is a pretty interesting colorway. Nice little purple shoe, or as Nike calls it, purple Stardust. It's pretty fly if you ask me. And like all Kobe A.Ds, I'm pretty sure this bottom of the sneaker is all one sole that can be removed. I can try and show you guys, but it's actually quite a lot of effort. Oh no, I think I'm wrong about this one. This one has a thin sole that's kind of stuck to the bottom. Some of the Kobe A.Ds have a massive sole that you can pull out. I'm pretty sure you can find that in one of my other videos. Anyway, this is the Kobe A.D. Purple Stardust colorway, as previously mentioned, and I found them at the Nike outlet. Pretty fire sneaker if you ask me. I'm going to throw these on in a second here, show you how they look on foot, leave you with my first impression of the sneaker. Pull this side out real quick. Throw these on. As you can see on foot, it's pretty fly. I mean, this black Nike logo pops really nicely. The colorway is super flashy. Let's go with that thumbnail. Real quick, maybe we'll try and grab something kind of nice for YouTube thumbnail. That's not bad. As you can see on foot, it's pretty fly, even with the white socks on. It says Zoom right here. I find that pretty fly. This is kind of a translucent lower. That's kind of cool as well. I feel great arch support right here. That's kind of nice to have. All in all, it's a pretty fire sneaker. And I got them at the outlet mall for a sick deal, if you ask me. That's the Kobe A.D. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And before I go, I just noticed this very useful back tab when removing the shoe. Feels pretty nice. Inside the shoe has a yellow logo. Pretty fly sneaker. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.